Technology is changing the world. You can see it everywhere, in schools, in the workplace, and on our phones. Technology has been a part of society for thousands of years. The very first metal tools were found in China almost 3,000 years ago. Plato wrote about a mechanical doll called an automaton which could be used to tell mythological stories to children around 400 BC. But it was not until relatively recently, with the advent of computers and smartphones, that technology really started to change our world, and only within the last few decades that technology has become ubiquitous. Technology has been affecting the world in many different ways, and it is hard to tell what is going to happen next. Technology has grown into every aspect of our lives, including business, education, personal life, and even entertainment. YouTube is one of the most popular forms of technology that has changed the way we view content. YouTube channels have become a form of entertainment even though they started off as educational videos, and people are more likely to watch videos on their phone than on a TV. We create content for people who are tired of being judged by the quality of their content. AI is here to help you craft better copy with less effort. Our content writers are here to make your brand shine and take you to the top of Google search. Subscribe to our channel and watch as we take over the world.